The Naked Sun is Asimov's sequel to his science fiction mystery, The Caves of Steel. This is a much better book. For example, he tries to create a believable woman character. He fails, but at least he tries and you can tell. The mystery is much more difficult to figure out, although the answer is laid out for you to puzzle out on your own in accordance with the rules and mysteries. In The Naked Sun, Caves of Steel protagonist Elijah Baley travels to the world of Solaria, where a feudal society has evolved, with slaves and serfs being robots and humans taking the place of their masters. Each Solarian lives in isolation, surrounded only by robots, refusing to see each other in person, but rather viewing them through virtual presence. This causes Elijah Baley, a man from the highly dense and claustrophobic New York City of the future, and for that matter now, to see the serious problems when dealing with the Solarians. Once again, as in Caves of Steel, Elijah Baley must solve the murder of a scientist, killed in mysterious circumstances with only one possible solution. To go on would involve spoilers, so let's not do that. Instead, let's look at The Naked Sun as a modern reader would. First, it's much better than Caves of Steel, as I've already said. There are issues with the book, but they're the same issues you see with any Asimov work. For example, his characterization is always off, and it is so in this book. Second, you do not have to put yourself in a 1950s mindset in order to enjoy this. A young reader can read this book and appreciate it without having to know much about the context of the world in which it was written, unlike The Caves of Steel. In addition, there's a lot more interesting social commentary and things to talk about this book than with The Caves of Steel, because unlike The Caves of Steel, the ideas in it are not dated. On the whole, I would be able to recommend this book as a first Asimov book if it didn't require The Caves of Steel to go before it. As it stands, I recommend reading a few other Asimov books, then The Caves of Steel, then this, and you can truly enjoy this book for what it is. This has been Joseph Cadott for Old Sins Reviews.